Bitcoin rises, breaks previous high, approaches bull market peak. Market revolves around AI, secret ops. Recent token gains impressive. Welcome to join. Bitcoin approaches previous high, continues rising in secret. Common before correction. Will it be same this time? Note, level may start to decline. Pepe, Floki. YF these positions worth noting that US stock market rising, Federal Reserve revealed rate cut expectations, market feedback good, positive macro factors, bull market may exceed imagination. Besides BTC, sectors about to rise. Buy now, make quick profit. Hello all, welcome to my channel. Let's first look at BTC's market situation. Then this is the Bitcoin trading pair of OKEx exchange. Let's zoom in. As for Bitcoin, it is currently at the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.786 near that 0.786. Well, it's a pull-in spot. What if price touches 0.6187? And the upper side of the week is the possibility of a callback. At present, the price stays at my 0.786 is also about 650. If interested, copy this channel. State and county level is near previous high position. High point of last bull market of Bitcoin was around 69. $0. Then let's sell a lawsuit today. Let's first take a look at the aspects of the counterfeit Mimi. Then this is the OKX Oppo spot trading team, and the PPT has risen for about 60 days. The secret rise combined with the continuous rise of the big cake is usually a position that may have a callback. Let's take a look at the allocation aspect again. The allocation has also risen by about 2 weeks in recent days. From bottom range, we've pulled over 4x, so our community definitely bought at bottom, gained profit of nearly 5x. If interested, welcome to join my copy trading community. It's free. This wave of secret frenzy originates from token called People. Bitcoin continues to rise close to the previous high, combined with the Mimi Pepe, a group of Mimi token pull-up. So I think that after the price reaches near the previous high of $690, there may be a short-term rebound. The weekly chart of Bitcoin last week closed with a very full bullish candlestick. The overall trend of the weekly chart is upward, with a brief pause in the middle, forming a doge. From the perspective of the trend, this is a very healthy bull market. I think only holding Bitcoin spot in hand is enough. Personally, I think there is nothing more than the previous high point of $690. The vicinity of the first axis of this channel, around $71,000 for Bitcoin, is also a possible place for Bitcoin to retest. Long traders can consider taking partial profits, opening small positions at this level. Let's also try opening a small position. Now let's look at the high point of People. If you buy the token People, let's examine the weekly time frame of the time limit. Actually, the price has already reached the highest point of the time limit. The wick that remains above indicates the area where the dominant players are selling or taking profits. If you have already bought the PayPal token at the lowest point, you might want to think about withdrawing your initial investment near this position and allowing the profits to keep growing. By doing so, your mindset will improve. I believe the dominant players of PPLE at the weekly level are positioned at 0 or above. 7.3. Near the location of the US dollar, if it breaks through PPLE, it can continue to rise. Currently, PPLE has risen to 0 in the first week of the new year. About $73, what's next? It's a color testing wave, then the weekly level keeps rising. Currently, the highest increase is 0.61 USD nearby. It's obvious there's a shadow above, typically the trace of the main force or dumping of fake goods. As for the altcoin, it can't be used with Fibonacci. Fibonacci is only suitable for mainstream targets. We can see more clearly on the 4-hour level. Generally, when such a long upper shadow appears on the 4-hour level, it's the trace of dumping of fake goods or the main force. And you all need to pay attention to the K line in terms of allocation. Despite the weekly chart not showing an upper shadow, it means the main force or merchants haven't sold in large quantities. Pepe's recent rise is due to the enhancement of the Ethereum Layer 2 network trend. Therefore, funds flowed into Ethereum, or the 3 debt coins in the Ethereum series. Our community already earned nearly 5 times the profit from this debt coin. For the follow-up, my copy trading account will also operate and guide the selling. Currently, Pepe has... Since the launch of Floki, this token has surpassed its previous high point and currently has a profit that is approximately 4 times its initial value. Floki, this token, has also been purchased for all members of our previous copy trading community and is currently performing well. This token is the most recent trading asset in our community, and it is an older proof of work, POW coin. Recently, the capital of Bitcoin has flowed into some POW tokens such as BCH, BSV, and SYS. I have recommended these tokens in the community before and have helped everyone trade these POW tokens with my copy trading account. They have also experienced a pullback in the range, so I think they are still worth buying. However, as we all know, during the process of ETH transitioning from POW to POS, the old leaks are aware of it. The miners are pumping ETC. Immediately command the trend to unify everyone. You must remember to seize this wave of wealth passwords. Of course, my community also welcomes you to join. Since we are talking about miner coins, let me recommend a few points. SYS. It has hitched a ride on the Bitcoin Layer 2 network. It is an old coin, but I believe that whether it is an old coin or a new coin, the narrative must catch up with this round of bull market. Due to the close relationship between the rise or speculation of altcoins and narratives, it is advisable to examine the functionality and backstory of tokens before making a purchase. In the case of SYS, if it experiences a 4-hour level callback, it is my belief that a support level of 0 would be established. 248 USD nearby, all can consider establishing first position here and downside of 0. Near the $2 mark, you can consider establishing the first and second positions, as well as the sideways range in the front. Everyone can consider buying in because after breaking through the pressure trend in the front, it will become support. Pay attention. On the BCH side, let's first look at the daily chart. The daily chart also shows signs of a pullback. The approximate starting position for the rise is around $30 for BCH. I've helped everyone with the follow-up. Partners don't need to worry. For BCH, consider placing an order around $41 and the middle position of the daily level, which is around $372, because the depth of the correction of a good coin will not be too deep. For the last transaction, place an order at the rising position, which is around $315. But generally, strong people don't turn back, so the bottom street is simple. Take advantage of the current market's attention being attracted by rising tokens like Pepe and People. At this time, you should consider laying out the next sector. In my opinion, the next sector is Pauka. For more information, you are welcome to join the group to explore. Making money is always about buying when no one cares and selling when it's at its peak. You've heard this saying before, but have you executed it properly? If you're struggling with not having time to watch the market or not understanding token information, join me to make money. Register for the trading room using the link below the video. Follow my Twitter. Thank you for watching. This will help you make big money on Dogecoin. Goodbye.